Baxter stands in amazement, looking at the two giant branches that pierce the ceiling to her spare bedroom. She says she was in the living room, minding her own business, when all of a sudden she heard
a thud. And then the next thing I knew, the ceiling dropped down. And that's when I realized there was a tree on my house.
And then when you see this, what goes through your mind?
I'm glad no one was sleeping in here.
A roof trestle punctured the ceiling near her front door. Now water's coming in. And if that weren't enough, she lost power too. The power went out about mid-afternoon for thousands in these surrounding towns, and it's still out today. Even the street lights were dark. The outages brought commerce to a halt. Every business along Main Street in South Berwick closed. What was open? Several warming centers, like this one at the community center. The Goodwin family stopped in to warm up and grab a bite after a long, cold night.
So we've been doing peanut butter sandwiches, and I had a few cold cuts yesterday, but that was about it.
We haven't had a shower for a couple of days. It's been interesting.
Power finally came back on just a couple of hours ago, and the Goodwins say they finally took their showers, and it felt so good. Meanwhile, they live, by the way, just 2 doors over from Cheryl Baxter here, who had a visit from the insurance adjuster just a little while ago. They're not quite sure whether the house is structurally sound, but she says she will sleep in a back bedroom just in case. We're live in Elliott tonight. Jim Keithley, WMTW News 8.